Yo, welcome back. So let's do some more fun stuff. And what every platformer needs is a moving platform. And you basically already know how to do this because it's the same thing as the moving enemy, just with a platform. So let's move that. Let's get rid of these like that. Let me zoom in. And we're going to duplicate our ground. Duplicate. We can keep it at ground 2 or we can just call it moving. So we know what we're talking about. And we're going to drag and drop moving to there. And we're going to do the exact same thing as we did with the enemy. So we're going to put go left and go right. And maybe put it there. And let's put an obstacle like there. Something like that. And there you go. Maybe this is too close. No, this is fine. This is going to be fine. Anyways, so this one's the moving platform. And you have go left and go right. So all we need to do is go to the events. We're going to copy one of these groups. And let's put it somewhere like there. Call this one moving platform. Moving platform. In case later we want to add stuff to it, going to add an event. Actually, let's see if we can copy paste the enemy one. Yeah, let's copy paste at the beginning of the scene. Let's put it there. Let's delete. We're gonna need this one. Let's put this under. Let's put this under as well. And change the variable brain of moving. And we're gonna set it to 1. Now we're gonna do the whole shebang. I could have just copied this entire thing. So we're gonna copy this. Paste there. And change enemy for moving. Change enemy for moving. If it equals 1, it does that. If it equals 2, yeah, we need to change moving here as well. And moving. There you go. Let's make it go backwards, right? So at the start of the scene, we give it number 2. Now we need to bounce off other stuff. So if it's in collision with go left and go right. Let's copy. And let's paste. And again, if moving. There is a better way of doing this. We can do like word search and then change everything, but I'll show that later. Moving. Change the brain of moving. And enemy of moving. When it's little things like this, I don't mind doing this by hand. But when it's like events that have like 30 things you need to change, then we do word search. Like out here in the corner, out here in the field. Anyways, here in the corner, you have this thing that allows you to search for words and then replace them all at once. This is kind of finicky, and the best way to do this, it's on its own separate event sheet by itself. So that's why I didn't just do this at the start. Anyways, what are we doing? So that one's moving. That one's moving. Let's just double check that everything's okay. And let's make it a bit slower because it's a platform. So let's make it 100 minus 100 plus 100. So this is basically everything we did for the enemy. We're just applying it to the platform. Press preview, and there she goes. Cool, right? It's coming close. We're going to jump. Oh, jump over, jump there, and shebang. And then we jump. Cool, right? Like every game needs one of these, right? Can we jump over? Yeah, we can. Then we have the bouncy thing. And we have an enemy down there. So we're starting to have a game. Right. That was it. Everything. Simple, but cool. Obviously, you can change the color of the platform. You can make it do other stuff. You can make it go faster, go slower. All of that jazz. It's up to you to be creative with it. But it was something simple and quick. Moving platforms. They just give so much more life to your platformer, to your games. Obstacles are always the best. Adversity is like the best thing in games to make it fun, right? Something that's too easy or just too jumpy or too samey gets boring. So make these little things that do different things, and it's going to make it so much better, right? And obviously, you can do the exact same thing for going up and going down. Like you can make a lift. Let's see if we can quickly do one of those. Let's go here. Let's duplicate moving. And let's give it a moving up name. And now let's duplicate go left. And we're going to call it go up. And go right. I'm going to duplicate. Where is it? Rename, delete, duplicate. Yes, my eyes are still very bad. And go down. Like that. Go up. Okay. Rename. There you go. Go up and go down. Hopefully you change the colors because otherwise it's going to start getting confusing. Go up is the blue one. Go down is the red. Let's make it somewhere like there. And let's put go down. Oh no, it's go up. Needs to be down here. Let's make it one more. And go down goes there. Right? Because then it gives enough time for us to jump on top of it. Let's put that there, and that there. And let's grab, go up, moving up, and put it somewhere there. Obviously, having these things with different colors would make a world of a difference. But right now, we're just doing this stuff, right? Just doing an example. So I'm going to copy paste one of these markers because we don't need to make another separate event. We have moving platforms, which is good enough. So now let's do the exact same thing. Copy, paste that one. And the beginning of the scene, change brain of moving up. And we're going to set it to 2. That is fine. And now we're going to copy paste these two. Copy, copy. And we're going to paste here. And if equals 1, oh yeah, we need to change the moving up. Actually, we didn't even need to do, I'm still thinking. No, this is fine. This is fine. Let's use different objects just to not make things confusing. All right, so moving up equal 1, moving up equal 2. If it equals 1, we're going to do a minus 100 on, and we change this one to 0 on the y. So minus goes up, plus goes down. So 1 is going to be going up. Oh, God. There you go. And minus 100. Change this one to 0. And this one's going to be plus 100. So this one's going to be going down. And this one we're going to change to moving up. This one change to moving up. And that one auto-completed something dorky. You got to be careful with the autocomplete when you press enter, because sometimes it does stuff like that. What else? Oh, we got to do the collision thing. So let's copy paste the collision. Copy. And let's put the collision there. I'm going to change it to moving up. I don't know why it's called moving up, because it goes up and down. But, you know, I'm not good at thinking on the fly, okay? I say this, but none of this is scripted. So, so which one's this one? Go up. So, which one is it? Like 1. Let's think here for a second. So 1 is minus, so it makes it go up. Okay, so go up is 1. So go up equals 1. Okay, let's change this one to also moving up. And go down, so go down, change to 2. And brain of moving up. Which we can just call this lift. I'll change that later because this is my OCD is being triggered. It's like, why is it called moving up? It goes both ways. My God. Man, fix this. Right. Play preview and shebang. We got ourselves a lift. And uh-oh. There is interference. There we go. We can go around. Okay, we jump on this one. Then we jump on this one. And then we jump on this one. There you go. We got a lift. How cool is that? Just gotta hide the go up and go down. And to do that, at the beginning of the scene, just like we did for the other ones, we're gonna copy paste the hides and go up and hide, go down, go down. So go up and go down, go left, go right. They're all hidden. And to finish off, to make me happy, because moving up is annoying me, we're going to call, oh no, that's the animation. We're going to call this lift to make the British people happy. Or elevator. Elevator. Flying platform. No. Let's make it lift. It's fine. Fly. Okay, this is getting too long. Let's just call it lift. It's okay. Can't please Americans and British at the same time. That is impossible. Lift it is. Press OK. There you go. So I hope you liked that one. It was a bit longer. I thought this was going to be like 2 minutes. Real quick. It's just like, oh, moving platform. And then I was like, oh yeah, but an elevator. That sounds cool as well. So that's how you do it. Now we can fight this guy, go around, jump on our thing, go up here, fight this one, and then it's like, oh, then there you go. And then we move on, right? We keep on making more platforms as we go up, and we're starting to have a game. Right. I hope you liked that one. I'll catch you guys next one. If you liked, subscribe, do all that stuff. Leave me a comment. Make me happy. Tell me if you're enjoying this one. And I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace out.